I consider myself an intuitive solution expert. I would like you to write this down, that health, relationships, or cash flow issues have something in common, and that there's principles that once you understand, you can solve, that normally we are not taught. Number 2, our bodies are not as complicated as what we've been taught to believe. You scratch your arm today, it heals. So we lack understanding and we get caught up in fear. My own story, from 20 years old to 35 years old, I was hired by companies to solve major problems on all different levels. And I was really good at it. But at age 36 to 42, I was diagnosed with an incurable deforming disease of rosacea, happened to be on my face. By age 42, my face had deformed. My face was bright red. I lanced boils every day, and I was losing a major part of my eyesight. No longer could read or drive. And it really looked like my life was over. And then the great divine led me to some master teachers that had hidden secrets about natural healing that once they taught me, I instantly healed in 1 year without drugs and without scars. And I dedicated my life to people like you, to teach others what I've learned. I've taught across the United States. I do Zoom calls with people internationally and national. I'm here to teach and serve and share with you what I've learned. So invest in yourself, because the life that you save can be filled with love and joy and walking proud that you understand your own immune system and you understand how to live your passion and not pain and not just give up. My website's georgieholbrook.com. I would be thrilled and honored to put you on a program that you can prove and experience, and then even live by example or teach others. Contact me. Together, we can walk this journey proudly, knowing that the universe has our best interest. Please subscribe to me on this YouTube channel and help it grow, because by myself, I can't do it all by myself. I need folks like you that can subscribe and put it out there in the world. You see, I've written 5 books, and my healing story is in most of them, but I just encourage you, join me, and together we can make a difference in our world. Thank you.